We now continue our dedicated parallel stream sessions tailored to architecture, engineering, infrastructure, and prefabrication and construction. If you wish to change the stream now, of course you can do this to view sessions that best match your specific interests. I can assure you, though, that you will be missing out on some exciting interviews. This is the prefabrication and construction stream. We will dive into a number of What's New in sessions for Allplan 2025. Stay with us as we dive into the future of prefabrication and construction. Without any further ado, I would like to hand over to my colleague Kelsey Burney, Regional Marketing Manager Americas at Allplan, who will guide you through all our online sessions.
Our next speaker at the Allplan 2025 launch event is David Zabka. As the product manager for prefabrication at Allplan, David has over 15 years of experience in the prefabrication industry. With a degree in architectural engineering technology, his career spans technical support, training, direct sales, and technical consulting. As product manager for prefabrication, David's diverse background drives innovation and ensures high-quality products meet market demands. David, it's a pleasure to have you with us today to speak about how, as the construction industry continually seeks more efficient processes, prefabrication and construction technology are becoming increasingly crucial. Modular construction methods are being embraced for on-site efficiency, while manufacturing techniques are revolutionizing prefabrication plants worldwide. Allplan offers unparalleled multi-material solutions for both precast and steel prefabrication, designed to meet the demands of these emerging processes and future technological advancements. David, can you start by sharing your thoughts on how prefabrication is changing the construction industry and why it's becoming such a significant trend?
Yeah, that's a great question, Kelsey. As we're all aware, there is an ever increasing demand to build things better, faster, cheaper, and more sustainable. So the challenge is to how to obtain all those things in construction. I don't believe there is one answer, but I do believe that technology and information are keys to the solution. Technology and BIM platforms are catalysts to storing information and then using that information for more efficient communication and planning current projects, as well as utilizing historical information for making future projects even more efficient. Adopting manufacturing processes is also a way to solve the demands. This is where prefabrication comes in. By adopting manufacturing processes of building in a controlled environment, modular assemblies can be constructed faster and more precisely. Coordination at the site to make assembling these prefabricated parts then becomes the challenge, and we can also solve this with BIM technology.
That sounds very promising, and I'm eager to see your presentation, as I'm sure our customers are too. So David, please take over.
Great. So the construction industry is under increasing pressure, as we already talked about, to deliver projects more quickly, cost effectively, and sustainably. Prefabrication, where building components are manufactured off-site and then assembled on-site, is becoming a popular solution to these challenges. This approach reduces waste, enhances quality, accelerates construction timelines. However, to fully leverage the benefits of prefabrication, advanced digital tools are necessary to streamline design, detailing, and production processes. This is where SDS2 and Allplan Precast come into play, each bringing unique strengths to the table. Allplan Precast offers comprehensive 3D modeling capabilities that allow for the detailed design of precast components. These models ensure that every element is fabricated to precise specifications, which is critical for the success of prefabrication, where accuracy is key to ensuring that components fit together seamlessly on site. A major strength of Allplan Precast is its integration into BIM workflows. By building precast components virtually, a data-rich environment is created containing information not possible with dated or 2D tools. This information facilitates a smooth transition from design to production, ensuring that what is built in the factory matches the design specifications perfectly. Allplan Precast excels in automating the generation of production data directly from the 3D model. This includes creating shop drawings, reinforcement plans, and even automated machinery data for factories. This automation not only speeds up the production process, but also reduces the likelihood of errors, leading to higher quality and more consistent output. Shifting focus to steel detailing and fabrication, SDS2 is a key player in projects that involve prefabricated steel elements, offering tools that significantly enhance the efficiency and accuracy of these processes. SDS2 is renowned for its automated connection design capabilities. This feature ensures that all steel connections are compliant with industry standards and optimized for fabrication. By automating this process, SDS2 drastically reduces the time needed for manual design, which is crucial for maintaining the fast-paced schedules typical in prefabrication. SDS2 generates detailed shop drawings and material lists that guide the fabrication of steel components. These documents are essential for ensuring that each piece is manufactured accurately, reducing the risk of errors during assembly on-site. SDS2's automation in producing these outputs further enhances productivity and reduces the potential for human error. One of SDS2's standout features is its ability to integrate with CNC machines used in steel fabrication. The software generates CNC codes directly from the model, ensuring that cutting, drilling, and welding are performed with precision. This level of integration is vital for ensuring that prefabricated steel components meet exact specifications and are ready for assembly without the need for on-site adjustments. So when we consider SDS2 and Allplan Precast together, it's clear that their combined strengths are shaping the future of prefabrication and construction in significant ways. Both SDS2 and Allplan Precast streamline the entire process from design to fabrication, significantly reducing project timelines. This efficiency is critical in today's construction environment, where time is often the most valuable resource. Precision is at the heart of prefabrication, and both SDS2 and Allplan Precast excel in delivering it. By ensuring that every component is designed and fabricated with exact accuracy, these tools help minimize errors during assembly, leading to higher quality outcomes and reducing the likelihood of costly rework. Collaboration is essential in construction, and SDS2 and Allplan Precast enable data sharing and coordination among all stakeholders. This integration ensures that architects, engineers, fabricators, and contractors are all working from the same set of plans, reducing the risk of miscommunication and ensuring that all prefabricated components fit together seamlessly. As the construction industry continues to evolve, SDS2 and Allplan Precast are well positioned to adapt to new materials, methods, and standards. Their focus on automation, precision, and integration ensures that they will remain integral tools as prefabrication becomes more widespread and complex. In conclusion, SDS2 and Allplan Precast are not just software tools. They're driving the future of prefabrication and construction technology. By enhancing efficiency, accuracy, and collaboration, these platforms are helping to transform the way we build, making construction faster, smarter, and more sustainable. All right, back to you, Kelsey.
Thank you, David. That was very impressive. I'm curious to know, what are some of the key challenges that construction companies face when adopting modular construction methods, and how does Allplan help address these challenges?
Communication and coordination are two of the biggest challenges. Both Allplan Precast and SDS2 are specialized tools to create data-rich BIM models that not only help visualize structures in a 3D environment, they also facilitate the communication and coordination both in the manufacturing facility and on the building site. Adopting manufacturing methods for design and assembly are also challenges. Again, Allplan makes these challenges easier with specialized tools that facilitate designing and planning for manufacturing modular assemblies.
That's really great to hear, David. In what ways is Allplan's multi-material solution unique in supporting both precast and steel prefabrication processes?
The expertise we bring along with our solutions is unique. Our staff is very experienced and understands the needs of detailers as well as precast and steel fabricators. We understand that the information necessary to manufacture these building components is critical and must be accurate to be successful in building structures efficiently as possible.
Finally, David, what do you think will be the biggest industry shift in the next 5 years, and how is Allplan positioning itself to be at the forefront of that change?
Design of structures for both manufacturing and assembly has the potential to really change the landscape of how structures are built. The more information that we continue to gather about the way structures are designed enables us to provide more advanced tools to make every part of the process more efficient.
It's amazing to see the clear and long-term vision we have for the prefabrication industry here at Allplan. Thank you again, David. We're looking forward to hearing from you again soon.